Hey everyone, so this is the Creative Nails collab. This is our New Year's collab, so happy New Year everybody. I hope you're all going to have a fun time and stay safe. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today. Obviously I needed to use purple, obviously, so it's going to be fairly quick and simple what I'm going to do. So yeah, I will stick some music on and yeah, we'll come back at the end. Okay, see you on the other side, bye. Okay, so this is the finished design here. I'm just going to add all the final little bits and bobs. So let me know down below what you think about this. I actually really like this. I really like this foil as well. I can't remember where I got it from. I know I got it off AliExpress. I'll have to have a look and see what store I got it from. I will have a haul in the next couple of days and it'll probably go into that haul. Anyway, let me know below what you think about this and how it turned out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you like my design. Please check out the playlist and head over to Instagram and check out our hashtag, because everyone's individual designs will be on there, and anybody who hasn't done a video or doesn't do videos will also be over there. Well, thank you so much everybody for watching today. Thank you so much for all your support again this year. This year has been very, very different, hard, emotional, stressful, all of that all rolled into one. So I do hope everybody has had a lovely Christmas, and I hope everybody has a lovely new year. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next video. Until then, take care. Bye.